Fight him off, Kyler. Fight him off.
Let's go. There you go.
Kick it. Come on, Kyler. It's alright. Keep pushing. That's it, Kyler. That's a good push.
Let's go, Kyler!
Go, Richie.
Let's go, Rich! There's a gap.
Dad?
There's a gap.
Yeah. Come on, Richie. Come on, Rich.
Let's go, Mike!
Move, Michael, move. Go, Michael, go.
Let's go, Mike!
Come on, Michael.
Go get him!
Let's go, Mike!
Go get him, Mike!
Go, Mike, you gotta go.
Let's
Gotta
push.
go, Mike, you gotta go.
Push!
Gotta push it, Mikey.
Let's go, Lucas! Let's go!
That's it, Michael. He's closing.
He's got him.
He's closing.
He's got him.
Go, Michael. Go, Michael. Yeah.
Go, Mike!
Good run.
Go, Lucas!
Come on, Luke.
Let's go, Lucas! 49-2 for Mike.
49-2.
Yeah. Come on, and start your kick now. You cut him off?
Did we cut him?
Yeah, I think you cut him off.
Get him, Luke.
Yeah,
Come on.
Go get him.
Yeah, there we go. Come on.
Go, Lucas!
Come on, Luke!
Go!
Go, Luke!